अब भैया सब बताए।
No celebrations, no music, and no happiness in the air, as would be the case in any marriage party because the bride got seriously injured in an accident hours before she could step into her married life. She is lying on a stretcher, and the bridegroom is tying Mangal suit around her neck. Only the close relatives and the family members were present on the occasion. It was 8th of December 2020 and the house of Aarti Maurya in Kunda village of Pratapgarh was decorated beautifully. The Bharat was about to reach her house within the next few hours. Preparations to welcome the guests and Bharat were almost completed. She was about to go with her Prince Charming, but everything changed suddenly and the house, which was full of happiness, became gloomy. Aarti's parents couldn't believe it. Everything which seemed so good till a moment ago had turned sour.
और वो बच्चा जो है बल्ली के साइड जो बंधा हुआ था,
A child was running on the terrace. She was calling him and he was just running around, ignoring her calls. She then tried to catch him, and only God knows if she slipped or the tent pole slipped. Just 4 children, and no one else was with her on the terrace.
कोई छत पे था नहीं, बेटी और वही दादी।
Aarti, who was about to go with her Prince Charming after getting dressed up, was lying on the stretcher. Faces that were glowing with happiness had lost their charm.
It was shocking. We were not sure if the marriage would still take place.
The accident changed everything for everyone concerned, as about 8 hours before the marriage was to take place, Aarti slipped and fell down from the terrace. Her spinal cord had broken and she was badly hurt all over her body. All the hospitals in the nearby areas had refused to treat her, as they did not have the expertise to deal with such a serious medical case. She was then taken to a private hospital in Prayagraj.
कुछ सहयोग मिलने के बाद मैं मुझे
We got some support from administration and the local MP to take her to PGI, but we are yet to shift.
शासन के द्वारा या कुछ संसद जी के द्वारा वहाँ भेजा गया है, लेकिन अभी जो है अभी शिफ्ट नहीं हुई।
After Aarti's medical checkup, the doctors informed the family that now she is disabled. The doctors informed the family that she is disabled and would not be able to leave her bed for months to come. After seeing and hearing this, the girl's family thought that the groom's family would not allow their son to get married to Aarti.
It seemed pleasantly awkward when the groom said he would marry Aarti and not anyone else.
Aarti's family members had told Avdesh, the groom, and his family everything about the accident, but they were amazed to hear his answer that he would marry Aarti only.
वजह कुछ नहीं थी, बस पसंद की बात है और प्यार था जो सब लोग का।
There was no reason. It was just love. I have got what my destiny had to offer me. There is no problem. I was told that I could marry Aarti's younger sister, but I refused, saying I would marry only Aarti, with whom my marriage was fixed.
Avdesh said that he was ready to accept Aarti as his wife even if she got badly injured before the marriage. As the Aarti's family heard his decision, they had tears in their eyes. The doctors treating Aarti were consulted and she was brought home after obtaining special permission. Avdesh applied sindoor on her forehead even as she was on oxygen supply and had a hospital drip which supplied fluids and medicines to her body. People present on the occasion had tears in their eyes. The time to see her off for her in-laws' house had passed, but after all the rituals of once leaving the house after marriage, she was sent back to the hospital.
I got injured and I was informed about the decision of my in-laws.
all arrangements were made, and my husband said he would come with Bharat and would marry me in that condition only.
कि जैसे भी है मैं अब शादी उन्हीं से करूँगी।
हमारे बहनोई एक मिसाल कायम किए हुए हैं कि यहाँ तक कि
Our brother-in-law has set up an example. Something of this sort could only be seen in movies, but he has done it in real life. He had said that come what may, he would marry the girl with whom his marriage was fixed.
The very next day, Aarti was to go through an operation and the surgical consent form was signed by her husband, Avdesh.
हमने इसमें ऑपरेशन करके हड्डी को
We have fixed the backbone. Screws have been used to remove pressure from the veins. The membrane which covers the vessels have also been repaired, but it would take time for Aarti to heal.
कमजोरी है वो तो हमारे हिसाब से 6 महीने से 1 साल लगेंगे और उसमें धीरे धीरे करके सुधार होगा.
Now, Aarti awaits to get well so that she could go to her husband's house walking on her feet. Avdesh supports her, and when she loses hope, saying everything would be alright. It's true, the one who has got such a loving and caring partner, everything would actually be well in her life.
भगवान से उम्मीद जताता हूँ कि
We pray to God that He heals her soon so that we can send her to her in-laws' place.
और मैं अपनी बेटी की विदाई धूमधाम से फिर से कर सकूं.
An ETV Bharat report.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.